Indus Valley Civilization. Mohenjo-daro, which literally translates to the Mound of the Dead, was discovered in 1911 by Sir John Hubert Marshall. Began. It is located in the west of the Indus River in Larkana district. The valley was a Bronze Age civilization, mainly encapsulating the northwestern region of the South Asia. Mohenjo-daro was one of the most sophisticated cities of the time, with advanced engineering and urban planning. The civilization may have had a population of over 5 million people. The Indus cities are noted for their urban planning, a technical and political process concerned with the use of land and design of the urban environment. They are also noted for their big brick houses, elaborate streets and drainage system, water supply, and cluster of large non-residential buildings. Inhabitants of the ancient Indus River Valley developed new techniques in metallurgy. Indus Valley excavation sites have revealed a number of distinct examples of the culture's art. Museum is simple and elegant with very basic facilities, but housing some of the most precious artifacts of heritage of Sindh. Artifacts in the history of Sindh heritage. Map showing the ancient cities along the Indus River. Bull cart from Mohenjo-daro, goblets for drinking, jewelry made of ivory and bones, objects of household use, model of Mohenjo-daro granary, articles made of bronze, tiny post, stones for crushing spices, daily house areas. Terracotta works also included cows, bears, monkeys, and dogs. In addition to figurines, the Indus River Valley people are believed to have created necklaces, bangles, and other ornaments. Dancing girl found in 1926 is only 11 centimeters high and shows a female figure in a pose that suggests the presence of some choreographed dance form enjoyed by members of the civilization. Another figurine in bronze was a figure of a priest king found in 1927 is 17.5 centimeter, displaying a beard and patterned robe. The celebrated stone statue of the priest king discovered at Mohenjo-daro has trefoil motifs and circles on the draped shawl. It is believed that the priest king is wearing an ajrak. In 1950, Sir Mortimer Wheeler identified one large building in Mohenjo-daro as a great granary. Is a large public bath sometimes called Great Bath. The pool measured 39 feet long, 23 feet wide, and 7.9 feet deep. A school system and college were also found in this building. Mohenjo-daro had no series of city walls, but was instead fortified with guard towers. For this rather elite area supposedly belonged to the traders because their houses and the whole market is believed to have been existed in the DK area. And the city Mohenjo-daro was designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980s.